Can anyone recall who this guy is? Free shout out to someone. Actually, it says right there. Fuck. What's going on, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about something that I'm really passionate about. It's what I'm working on every single day of my current life, and I'm going to continue to grow it more and more. So let's get straight into it. How to save 100% of your income while creating new sources of income. I'm going to give you two examples of how I use this formula to save all of my money and then create new sources and what those sources are. So stick till the end. Hold on, I need to get a piece of paper for this. So I'm going to break down two things that you can do while you're already working a full-time job. So one, find a passion, or maybe you already have one, and monetize it. Shitty writing, but oh well. It's personal training. It's being in the fitness industry. It's working out. It's helping other people work out. So what did I do? I decided I'm going to become a personal trainer a few years ago, and it's been working really well. It's something that doesn't really feel like work to me. It's fun. It's engaging. I get to help my clients, and it supports other businesses as well. But in your case, it could be anything else. It could be photography. It could be fitness as well. It could be videography, graphic designing, art, whatever it is that you're passionate about. Pick it and monetize it. A couple of the really good websites that I feel like you can put out your service is Kijiji, Craigslist, Fiverr, your social media. Maybe not Craigslist. I mean, if you roll that way, then maybe Craigslist as well, but not Craigslist for most of you guys. Now make sure this isn't one of those side hustles that require too much of your time. The whole point of the side hustle is something that you're truly passionate about, so it doesn't feel like work. You already have a full-time job. You don't want another part-time job. You're just gonna devote all your fucking time on working, and that's not the point here. You want something that you want to grow into eventually and make even bigger, because it's like chasing your dreams, but you're kind of just stepping into it. So once you figured out what that passion is, make sure you're marketing it very, very hard. Post daily. Be active in your social groups. Offer free stuff. By the way, the whole point of having a second source of income is getting it up to the point where you have enough clients or enough jobs coming up where it pretty much covers all your expenses. This doesn't mean that you're gonna quit your main job either, because now you can work there and you can save all that money for something else, which is what I'm gonna get into. Sounds like a tongue twister, doesn't it? Just what I'm gonna get into. Duffy does. Let's just take this for example. You're making $50,000, but you're making $50,000 from your main job, and you're working on full time, 35 to 40 hours a week, and then you have a second source of income, whether you're doing videography or you're doing personal training in my case, or whatever else it is, and you've gotten it to the point where you're making anywhere between $12 to $2,000 a month. Now that's most people's expenses. Once you've gotten your side income to the point where it can cover your expenses, you have probably anywhere between $2,500 to $3,500 just coming in and getting saved. That's a lot of money that now you can grow into another stream of income. In my case, it was, could you see that? It says First Health. First Health is a third stream of income that I created with my buddy and my partner. It's a supplements company and it's a fitness brand. We started about a year and a half ago, right over there. The whole point of being able to start a third stream of income was because I was able to save my main source of income. I saved, and I used part of that money to drop it into... Man, my nose is really f***ing stiffy. Okay, so the whole point I was able to start a third stream of income is because I could save my main source of income while getting my second source of income to pay for all my expenses. Once I had enough, I took some of that money out and I put it in a new stream, which was First Health. I invested into creating supplements, which aligned very well with what my goals were, aligned very well with my second source of income. We got it to the point where it grew enough that it could start paying for itself. Now, what does that mean? Now, my expenses are getting paid. The company has grown to a point where it can fund itself and continue to grow. And my main source of income is free to use again. So this gives us opportunity to invest in a potentially fourth source of income. It could be anything. For me, it's going to be real estate investing. I don't need to hold that anymore. For you, it could be maybe growing some other skill that you really wanted to grow, or buying some sort of equipment to fund your new source of income. Whatever that may be, now you have a few ways strategically planned out of not quitting your job, having a side hustle, and continuously working synergetically with each other to grow new streams of income. Does that make sense? That's pretty much what today's topic was about. If you found it useful, guys, let me know in the comments below if you want to see videos like this. If you found it fun, or you just think I'm full of shit, whatever it is, just let me know. Give me some feedback. I need to know how I can improve these videos for you guys as well. So we've got to the end of the video, and there's a 6-day workout split that I'm gonna give you guys completely for free. It's in the description below. Check it out, make good use of it. I know it's gonna be really good. I've split it in a way where it's all high intensity interval training as well as resistance training is involved. So if you're looking to lose some pounds and tone up for summer, because it's May 6 now? Not too much time left, so put it to use. Summer's right around the corner. Make full use of it. Get shredded, get lean, and grow your money. It's kind of gloomy out, but we're not gonna let that stop us. I'm gonna go to the gym soon, so peace out.